We have the question, a map is drawn with a scale of 4 inches representing 80 miles. How many inches on the map would represent 280 miles? So we have 4 inches representing 80 miles, right? And we're trying to figure out how many inches on the map would represent 280 miles. And so since we don't know how many inches would represent 280, we put an X. We're not sure of what that number is. That's what we're trying to find out here. And so the column to the left, you can think of that as our inches. And then to the right, we have miles. So 4 inches represents 80 miles. And we're trying to find out how many inches represents 280 miles. And so these are going to have the same relationship. So how do we go from 4 to 80? That'll tell us how we go from 280, what that gives us in terms of inches. So 4 times what would give us 80? And the answer to that is 20. And whatever you multiply the top by, you would multiply the bottom by, so that you're not changing anything. So this x, when it's multiplied by 20, gives us 280. So what we're going to do is we're going to do 280 divided by 20 to figure out what this x is. So if you're not able to do that using mental math, which is fine, you can do 20 into 280. And to think of this a little more simply, you can just get rid of the zeros and do 2 into 28. So we know that 2 goes into 2 one time. And then 2 goes into 8 4 times. So 2 goes into 28 14 times. So 20 goes into 280 14 times. And so we can put in our 14 here. And that's why B is going to be our answer.